Welcome. This is a practice called RAIN with a parts lens, an IFS informed meditation practice. R stands for recognize, A stands for allow, I stands for investigate, N stands for nourish. Settling. Sit comfortably. If it feels right, close your eyes. Take a minute or two to arrive in your present experience. Noticing your breath, noticing your body supported. Let your attention settle, not forcing anything to change. R stands for recognize. Bring to mind a difficult emotion or situation. What is here right now? Notice thoughts that are arising. Sensations in the body. Inner voices, perhaps a critical voice, or an anxious voice, or an urgent voice. Name what you notice as parts, not the whole of you. A part of me is anxious. A part of me is criticizing. A part of me feels overwhelmed. This creates space. You are not the part, but in relationship to it. A stands for allow, making room for parts. Spend a few minutes acknowledging what has come up. Rather than pushing it away, allow it to be here. If it helps, offer a simple phrase. Right now, it's like this. This part is allowed to be here. Notice if there is another part that wants to fix, judge, or get rid of the feeling or the thought or the sensation. Gently recognize that part too. Allow both, the part that is struggling, the part that wants the struggling to stop. You are making space for your inner system just as it is. I stands for investigate, curiosity toward parts. You might ask, where do I feel this part in my body? What is this part feeling right now? What is it afraid would happen if it didn't do its job? What does it need for me to understand? Well, let's go back to where do I feel this part in my body? What is this part feeling? What emotions is this part feeling? Can this part tell you what it's afraid would happen if it didn't do its job? What it does for you on a regular basis? And what does it need me to understand? What would it like to tell me? See if you can sense the positive intention of the part, even if its impact is difficult. You are not trying to change it. You are getting to know it. If this experience feels too intense, gently shift back to the body or the breath. Stay within what feels manageable. The N in RAIN stands for nourish. This is a self-compassion practice. For the final minutes, bring warmth and care toward the part you've been with. Let this come from your deeper self, steady, compassionate, not overwhelmed. This is a self-compassion practice. Offer these phrases to the part or to yourself. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you have joy. May you be held from within and without. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you have joy. May you be held from within and without. This whole practice is an act of self-compassion. You are learning to recognize your inner world, allow its complexity, understand your parts, and respond with care rather than rejection. Take a moment before opening your eyes. Is there a little more space? A little more steadiness? Carry that with you as you return to your day. Thank you for joining me.